What's up mga ka-jammer? Today I'm gonna install my radio, new radio in my car. My car radio broke down a couple months ago and I finally got my new radio. So I'll update you. So I got this new Alpine ILX-F309 for my car, and I already did the wiring to not bore you, so I'm gonna show you a little bit. So this is the wiring, which is so complicated to do. I finished it though, just to let you know that I'm gonna be installing my car stereo. And this is only one DIN stereo, and the monitor will stay there. Okay, so this is my car, Mazda cx9, and I already dismantled everything that's inside. So let's go in. This is it. This is what happened to my car. First I took this out first, and then take the whole covering, take out the radio. I probably won't use some of this anymore, but we'll see. And this is for the dashboard, the heater, the what's that? Oh, the cigarette lighter, and this for the hazard. Alright, so I hope I can still make it work on some of the features, but I will have a better one. I might not need this anymore since it's a new setup, so we'll see. Alright, update you. So first thing that I should do is to take off the battery. I got a 7/6 ratchet here, and I'm gonna unplug the positive connection. Okay, so that we won't create a fire when it sparks, and from there we can do this and not worry about setting up a fire. Okay, so I took it out. I finally loosened it up and put this away where it doesn't connect to the positive output of the battery, so that it won't spark and create a fire. Looks like my fluids are low too. So alright, so it fits, but I have some wirings that I need to figure out where to go. Okay, so especially this one, this 3, 4. I don't know where it goes, but maybe just away from that. And this one is TD101. What is TD101? Yeah, more figuring out to do, and I have to read the instructions, which is the user manual. So I figured it out. You don't really need those lines because of the harnesses that I set up with the as you can see, the harness over here too. I put in everything there. So oh man, I gotta take those out. Alright, I'll be right back.
Alright, so I got it in. All I'm doing is putting the screws on so that it will hold. I'm not gonna tighten it up yet. See what's going on. If it's really gonna work. I just want something to hold it. Okay, like that. And then let's put this in. And for some reason, this will not work if you don't have this. So I have to put it in. Uh-oh, starting to rain again. I'm gonna hold this. It's starting to rain again. I might not be able to finish this. Okay, look, I didn't it up yet. We'll see. Okay. Moment of truth. It's not gonna work. What the hell? Wow, fantastic, baby.
What is going on? So I made it work. I guess I just forgot the sensor. If it's not locked, it's not gonna work. So I'll show you in a bit. So I'm gonna turn it on now. All right. Yeah, boy, it works. We'll see.
Pero es tu papá.
But how come it's
Y lo tenemos que ayudar, ¿de acuerdo? Pero ¿qué pasa cuando ya no nada más esa persona me hiere a mí?
Spanish?
Ya no nada más ese hombre o esa mujer me lastima a mí. Sino que ya está lastimando a nuestros hijos. Les pasa con...
Mga ka-jammer, I already fixed my radio. It sounds so good. Oh my goodness, it's so amazing. I'll let you hear it. Hold on. Listen to this. I can feel the earth slipping from my feet. Got lost chasing dreams that I can't seem to reach, but you never stop chasing me. I've been hiding from my past, wasting time, ticking fast. Thought I was out of reach, but you never stop chasing me. You would search the whole world over to find me. There's no place you wanna go. You're searching high and low. You're leaving on the night to leave me alone. I can't hold back alone. There's no road that's long enough. You're leaving on the night to leave me alone. There's no place you wouldn't go. There's no place you wouldn't go. I can hear the sound of struggle fade away when I hear you call my name. And I can finally see what you see when you look at me. You're convinced I'm worth it all. Nailed the Awesome. Alright. Give me that thing. There's gonna be the final setting up on this radio, and it's cool. There's a compartment right here, and I'm just gonna tie up some more wires, make it tidy a little bit, and then yeah, that's cool. Don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy the music. You would search the whole world over to find me, to find me. You would search the whole world over to find me. You need a change. Feeling scared. Give me somebody that no one seems to care.
Stupid. El Jarocho en la que buena.
111 points on the board last night.
My baby, you left me yesterday. Said she loves me, she'll come back. She wants to try. I know later she'll be upset. I know it's better, there's something I'll regret.
No, para remediar.
Yeah, you look at that, Guy.
Alright, it's
Pressure.
Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
We're back to the action on the Aztec.
sounds great, man.
It's just to take on the San Diego State
I like
Aztecs in
it.
the next round. So good luck to you.
And I'm taking a look at the bracket right.
Where does it stop though?
San Jose State Spartans yesterday.
And that will be a good ball game coming up.
I like it. See that? Oh. I guess all I need is strobe lights here and have a party in the car. Signal in this radio is good, but when I play my Bluetooth, it sounds so good. Alright, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy.
Just go to your car and sit there for 8 hours and think about work.
Let's see, local. No. Seek manual. Oh well, I don't care about locals anyway. I always play my my Spotify, so rock on. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's enjoy the ride. So yes, finally it's working, though I have some wiring that's sticking out. And this one I totally forgot that it's when I was too tight I couldn't open it. I also set up my camera, and that's the rear camera right there, and I can see it on my dashboard. I mean rear view mirror. The rear view mirror is a camera, so yeah, it's cool. Maybe I should put it. It's okay. There you go. So now I can see what's behind me and in front of me. Recording it. There's recording. So yeah. Alright. I'm gonna go get gas and enjoy the music. Alright. Have a good day. Ciao. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.